Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys a hair treatment that is very good in promoting hair growth as well as keeps your hair soft and shiny. So for this mask we're going to be using just 2 ingredients. So yeah, you can consider it a mask, so you can use this once a week. So I'm going to be using my palm oil. So palm oil is derived from the palm fruit pulp and is sometimes referred to as red palm oil because of how it looks when it's unprocessed. So in this video we're going to be using the unprocessed palm oil, and I'm going to go ahead and add 2 eggs. Eggs are very rich in nutrients like vitamin A and E, biotin, and folate, which helps to keep the hair thick and healthy. The healthy fats in the yolk also helps to replenish moisture and add shine to the hair. Eggs also do have proteins in them, even though it's disputable whether these proteins can penetrate the hair strands. But yeah, I love the feel of eggs in my hair, so that's why I'm adding it to this treatment. So I'll just go ahead and stir that up, and this is how it looks. But this is not a consistency I'm going for, so I'm going to just go ahead and use my whisk, my electric whisk, to whisk that up. Palm oil is very common in Africa, and historically it has been used to facilitate the healing of wounds and skin infections, as well as an anti-poison. So yeah, when people consume poison, they first of all take palm oil before they rush to the hospital. So yeah, anyway, this is how it looks, and it's still runny, and that's not what I want. So I went ahead and transferred this to the freezer for a few minutes just so that it solidifies a bit and looks like this. Then I'll go ahead and continue whisking it until I get my desired consistency. So I'm doing this because I don't want my palm oil to be runny all over my head and my face, so that's why I'm going for this texture. So you can also do this. This is for me the best method to add palm oil to your hair treatment, or to use palm oil to enjoy all its benefits. So yeah, when it's runny, it's a whole mess. So to reduce the mess, I just went ahead and whisked that together with the eggs, just like you'll be making cake or something like that. So yeah, this is a very healthy hair growth mayonnaise. Okay, so yeah, when I've gotten to my desired consistency, I'll just stop there, and then we'll proceed to the next step. At the end, you're going to have a very rich golden mask. So I actually do love the color of this mask. It looks so yummy, like something you could eat. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just mix that up again with my spoon. You don't need to add any other ingredients, but if you like, you can do as you please. But yeah, this mask is focused on using palm oil for hair, and shortly I'll be sharing with you guys all the benefits of using palm oil in your hair to promote hair growth and other benefits which you're going to be hearing soon. So yeah, I'll go ahead and apply this mask on my hair. I washed my hair the night before because I cannot do washing and treatment the same day. Sometimes I don't have the time, so I washed my hair the night before, and right now I'll just go ahead to wet it a little bit. So you want to apply this on damp hair and not dry hair. So that's what I'm doing, using my spray bottle with some water in it to dampen my hair before I go ahead and apply the mask. Palm oil is very rich in palmitic acid, oleic acid, myristic acid, stearic acid, linoleic acid, carotenoids, and vitamin E, which helps to soften the hair without leaving it greasy and sticky because of its emollient properties. So yeah, if you rinse this mask out of your hair, it's not going to feel oily or sticky. If you don't believe me, try it. Actually feels very amazing, makes your hair feel so soft. So yeah, it also stimulates the growth of thicker, longer, and stronger hair. It eliminates dandruff and thereby supports healthy hair growth. So if you suffer from dandruff, you want to try this treatment once a week on your hair. It also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which also helps to fight dandruff and other scalp infections. Palm oil has cleansing properties that purge dirt, sweat, and excess sebum from hair and skin. Like I always say, the hair grows from the scalp, so you want to make sure whatever treatment you're applying to your hair must reach your scalp. So yeah, I'm going to apply that to my scalp and massage it in. You want to make sure that you massage your treatment into your scalp for a few minutes. Then I'll go ahead and just twist that section up and then move to the next section. So I'm going to repeat the same process. Spritz water on my hair. Remember, you don't want to apply this on dry hair, so try to dampen your hair before you proceed with the application. And don't forget your scalp, guys. Apply the treatment to your scalp. It has its benefits. So yeah, let's continue with the benefits of using palm oil for your hair. So palm oil also conditions and protects the hair from damage. Yeah, and it also moisturizes the hair and promotes moisture retention. So yeah, it really keeps the hair really moisturized and soft. Like your hair could be moisturized the whole week without too much effort after this treatment. So it helps to really lock in the moisture in your hair. Palm oil also protects the skin and hair against environmental toxins. Yeah, so it really helps as protection for your hair and skin. Palm oil boosts collagen production, which holds the hair together, thus reducing hair loss by promoting the growth of stronger, thicker, healthier hair, as well as slowing down the appearance of graying hair. So palm oil slows down the graying process. So yeah, continuous application of this treatment will help you if you have premature growing, or it can help prevent premature growing. Premature graying, not growing, premature graying. So yeah, those are its benefits. Palm oil is so amazing for the hair. You can begin to feel the benefits as you use it because it makes your hair so soft, guys. Like, you can easily detangle your hair with this treatment or with this mask. Your fingers just go through. It makes the hair so soft and shiny. So yeah, it's one of those treatments that you don't want to sleep on. Some people are scared of the messiness, but I promise you, if you prepare it this way that I've shown you guys, there will be no need for the extra mess, because when it's in its running state, it will just be going all over. Like now, it wouldn't be steady like this on my hair. It will be running down everywhere. So guys, make it like this and apply to your hair and enjoy all the benefits of using palm oil on your hair. So as you can see how easy it is to detangle your hair with this mask on it. No stress at all. So yeah, so if you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. Please, at this moment, just take your time, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Make sure to turn on the post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it so far. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Guys, if you have low porosity hair like myself, you want to make sure you stick around till the end. Please don't sign out yet. I have one more tip for you that is going to make this treatment very effective on your hair. So you don't just want to use a mask and not maybe enjoy all the benefits. So guys, stick around to the end. It's just a few more minutes to go. So yeah, I'm going to share with you guys what you need to do in order to make sure that your hair enjoys all of this hair goodness, all of this goodness in this treatment. So yeah, look at how soft my hair is. so soft. When I'm done applying the treatment on my hair, I'll just go ahead and hold it up just to avoid the messiness and it touching my neck. And then I'll go ahead and use a plastic bag to hold my hair. Like I said, low porosity hair requires heat, so we're trying to trap in the heat as much as possible. This is because we need the heat to open our hair cuticle so that the benefits of the treatment can penetrate the hair shaft. So I'm using a black plastic bag to trap in the heat, and I'm going to go ahead and use my cap and just cover it again with another cap and continue doing what I'm doing. If you do not have a hair steamer, you can just do this and even add a towel on it just to trap in the heat and make sure it helps open your hair cuticles. But I do have my steaming cap. I'm going to go ahead and wear that for about 30 minutes and just steam my hair. This makes the treatment very effective. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. After like 40 minutes, I rinse it off